Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to cook surf and turf with a garlic creamy sauce. When it comes to surf and turf, my favourite is a beautiful Scotch fillet topped with a rich and creamy garlic prawns. This recipe was requested by one of our Patreon supporters. If you want to help the channel, consider heading over to Patreon and becoming one of our backers. To start, you need a finely diced 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, followed by 1 finely diced shallot. Next, you'll need your choice of steak. I've got a fantastic Scotch fillet, seasoned with salt and pepper on all sides. Place a pan over high heat. Once it's nice and hot, add some oil. I'm using canola oil as it has a high smoking point. Place the steak in the center of the pan. For a steak this thick, cook for about 3 minutes on each side for medium rare. Sear the steak on all sides before removing it from the pan. Place the steak on the plate and tent with foil. Deglaze the pan with white wine. You could also use beef stock. We want all those delicious steak bits left in the pan. Add the diced shallots and garlic. Cook until they begin to soften and brown. Next, add a few sticks of butter. Cook for 1 more minute. Add half a cup of white wine to the pan. Season with salt and pepper. Reduce to half, this will intensify the flavours. Once the wine is reduced, add half a cup of thickened cream. Stir the cream into the sauce before adding 8 to 10 cooked prawns. Simmer and reduce until the sauce is thickened and the prawns have heated through. All that's left to do is to serve it up. There you have it, surf and turf with garlic creamy sauce. The creamy garlic sauce works perfectly with the prawns and steak. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.